Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, October the 19th. I'm going to let this run for a minute. CM, you're always the first blogger in it. Hello to everybody all over the place. Romulus, Berkeley, Hollywood, South Bend, Australia, San Antonio. Thank you all for saying hello. I'm going to go to Melbourne one day. I rode my bike this morning in the rain in the dark, which wasn't too great, but we're ready to go. Someone asked, there were several I was the prosecutor from 1980 through 2022, and I had a number of cases that made it into one sort of program or another. One, the Carol Neff homicide, they did 3 times. Good morning. Another, the Linda Van Buskirk murder, the Oxygen Channel did a program on that, and Wood TV Channel 8 is doing a program on the Kathy Swartz murder from December 2nd, 1988, and they may be doing a couple of others. So I don't know. There seems to be an insatiable appetite for that kind of thing. What they don't do true crime about is child sexual abuse. I did about 400 of those, literally. Tried probably 50 child CSC cases. They don't try many cases anymore, but a long time ago, we used to try a lot of cases. In fact, they wrote a book about it called Seeking Justice. It's available on Amazon if anybody's interested. I think they have about 2 copies of it left, but that was a long time ago. Well, we're off like the proverbial herd of turtles here. It is 8:15. Thank you all for saying hello. Matea is here with me. She says hello too. Gracie Boyd. Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you Gracie Michelle Boyd?
Yes.
Did you give her a Kleenex? They tell me I make all the girls cry, but I don't really try to. Nothing too terrible is going to happen here. Miss Boyd, you're charged with aggravated assault, which is an assault that resulted in a serious injury to someone. It's alleged that on or about June 9th that you assaulted Haley Doyle in Borough Township. Ms. Doyle says you punched the crap out of her and hit her head up against a post, and she ended up with a concussion. So they've charged this as a misdemeanor aggravated assault, which is punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. Apparently it was recorded and people posted it on Snapchat. The world is sure a different place than when I was young. Now everything's on social media. So apparently there's videos of this incident, and I'm assuming the prosecutor has those. You could go to jail for this. And so same thing, my recommendation is you get a lawyer to help you with this. Do you have any objection to that?
No.
All right, how old are you now?
I'm 18.
All right, you had an MIP last spring or something. I think you paid all that. Are you still in school?
Yes.
You're a senior at Baroque High School?
Yes.
All right. Well, this isn't good. I don't know what all this is about. I don't know what kind of medical expenses she has. I've had a number of these in the last year or so where one young girl's mad at another young woman and punches are thrown. Do you do any extracurricular stuff? Are you in the band? Do you play a sport or anything? Do you have a part-time job?
Not right now.
All right.
I stopped playing sports my senior year.
You look like a volleyball player. Did you play volleyball?
Yeah.
I guess that's profiling, but you look like you would have been pretty good at it. All right, I'm gonna show a plea of not guilty. I'm gonna appoint an attorney, set an attorney pretrial for November 3rd at 8:30. Now, a couple things. I want you to stay away from this Haley Page Lowleen Doyle. Lowleen. And I want you to stay in school. I don't want any unexcused absences from school. And so I'm not sure what this is about or where this is headed, but I do believe that you could use a lawyer to help you with this. So I'll show a plea of not guilty. All right, you go out to the counter and they will get a lawyer for you. I want you to call that lawyer and make an appointment to discuss this with them. Have you seen these videos?
Yes.
Okay, so they'll, if you didn't, they'll get copies, and I don't know what they show or what this is about, but you're good to go. So
Thank
go
you.
out to the counter. All right, good night, Gracie.
Thank you.
She has no idea what I'm talking about, but that's common.
So I said, well, flip a coin, and if it comes out heads, have your hair dyed.
And if it comes out tails, say goodnight, Gracie.
Good night.